Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by for another video. I have a ton of cleaning motivation for you all today. Some areas in our home had been a little neglected, and I wanted to just tackle as much as I could in 1 hour to get our home back in order. And I did make a list of all of the things I wanted to get done. So if you need some cleaning motivation today, make sure to keep on watching and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. And with all of that being said, let's get into this video. I always like to start off with starting a load of laundry before I clean, and I just feel like I'm knocking out 2 things at once, and that makes me feel so much more productive. But besides that, does anyone else feel like they're always behind on laundry? I'm so bad at folding and putting our clothes up. I feel like if I would have a better routine in place, maybe it wouldn't get so bad. If any of you have any laundry routine that really works for you, please let me know in the comments down below. I am always drowning in piles of clean or dirty laundry, and I have baskets all over our home all the time. If you have any tips, that would be so helpful, and I'd appreciate it so much. So now I'm just putting up all of the clean dishes, that way I can start washing the dirty dishes from breakfast earlier. And I am not going to be talking too much in this video, you guys. I will pop up here and there, but I wanted to give you as much cleaning motivation as possible if you are cleaning along with me as well. And let me know if you enjoy a lot of talking in the cleaning videos, or maybe here and there. I do want to switch it up because lately I have been talking a lot in my videos, but yeah, let me know down below what you would prefer. So I wanted to clean out our fridge and tidy it up because we were actually going to get groceries on this day, and I wanted to throw away some of the leftovers we didn't finish or anything that was expired and have it more organized before going to get the groceries. I don't do this often enough, but I do like to wipe it down every once in a while, so it actually wasn't that bad this time around. So yeah, I'm just taking everything out from where the food is and gonna be wiping everything down. So my favorite part of cleaning my kitchen would have to be when I have a nice and shiny clean sink. I don't know why, but I feel like that's probably everyone's favorite part. Let me know down below what yours is. I did have a couple of things that I did leave to wash, but I did let them sit a bit with some hot water since these did have some food stuck on them. But I did wash these later during the day. But yeah, that's definitely my favorite part. I just love having a nice clean kitchen sink.
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt, calling forever? For every passing moment left, I need an angel to save me from my fate. I need an angel.
Alright guys, so my time is almost up and I wanted to mark off all of the things I have been able to get done. And 1 hour does fly by when you are cleaning, but I am pretty pleased with everything I was able to get done. Figured I only had time to either sweep or mop, and that's what I'm gonna get done real quick, and I will be finished with this power hour.
I need an
Alright guys, so that is everything I was able to get done in 1 hour, and I didn't have time to mop, but I did do that later that evening. And I hope this gave you a ton of cleaning motivation to get things done in your home as well. And I didn't finish my list, but you know, it's definitely okay. I'm so happy I was able to get a lot done and relieve some of that stress. And I always have the next day to finish it. It doesn't all have to get done in one day, but thank you all so much for watching if you made it this far. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.